Hi, Seven Gadian. This is one of my original song. I'm entitled "I Miss You Badly." So enjoy. Guess what? I'm missing you. Just don't know what I'm supposed to do. I think you're right. So hard to be apart, and I love you till the end of time. Feel every word I say when I tell you to. Please stay, 'cause I'm helpless thinking about you. Whoa, I feel so empty without you by my side. Whoa, whoa, thinking about you. Whoa, whoa, no, I miss you so. And I apologize for not being physically there for you, and you know just what to do. Call me when you need me, 'cause I'm helpless thinking about you. Whoa, you know it feels so empty without you by my side. Whoa, whoa, thinking about you. Whoa, whoa, you know I miss you so. Guess what? I'm missing you. I miss you badly, and hope you feel the same way too. 'Cause I'm helpless thinking about you. I feel so empty without you by my side. Whoa, whoa, you know I miss you so. Thanks for watching.